Crash course on Venezuela, environmental conservation. Welcome to a crash course on Venezuela's commitment to environmental conservation. In this journey, we will explore the country's efforts to protect its natural environment and preserve its rich biodiversity. Let's delve into some interesting stories and examples that highlight Venezuela's dedication to conservation. 1. Canaima National Park. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to the iconic Angel Falls, the highest waterfall in the world. The park covers a vast area and protects unique ecosystems, including tepuis, tabletop mountains, and diverse wildlife. 2. Los Roques Archipelago National Park. Located in the Caribbean Sea, this national park encompasses a pristine marine ecosystem with coral reefs, sandy beaches, and crystal-clear waters. It is a haven for snorkeling, scuba diving, and wildlife observation. 3. Henri Pittier National Park. As Venezuela's first national park, Henri Pittier is a haven for biodiversity. It showcases a variety of ecosystems, from cloud forests to coastal areas, and is home to numerous species of birds, orchids, and mammals. 4. Sierra Nevada National Park. This park is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. It features snow-capped peaks, stunning landscapes, and a range of activities such as hiking, mountain climbing, and wildlife spotting. 5. Morrocoy National Park. With its mangroves, coral reefs, and picturesque cays, Morrocoy National Park offers a perfect setting for boating, snorkeling, and beach relaxation. It is renowned for its turquoise waters and abundant marine life. 6. Orinoco Delta. The Orinoco Delta is a vast and biodiverse wetland region, famous for its labyrinthine waterways and rich bird life. It is an important habitat for species such as pink river dolphins, manatees, and caimans. 7. Mochima National Park. Located along the Caribbean coast, Mochima National Park boasts stunning landscapes of mountains, beaches, and islands. Visitors can enjoy activities like sailing, fishing, and diving in its pristine waters. 8. Médanos de Coro National Park. This unique park features vast sand dunes that stretch along the coast. It is a popular spot for sandboarding, picnicking, and enjoying the desert-like landscapes. 9. Cueva del Guacharo National Park. Known for its fascinating cave system, Cueva del Guacharo is home to thousands of oilbirds, guacharos. Visitors can explore the caves and observe these nocturnal birds in their natural habitat. 10. Wildlife sanctuaries. Venezuela has established numerous wildlife sanctuaries, such as the Cuare Wildlife Refuge and the Cara Wildlife Refuge, to protect endangered species like jaguars, giant anteaters, and capybaras. 11. Conservation initiatives. Venezuela has implemented various conservation initiatives, including reforestation programs, wildlife rehabilitation centers, and educational campaigns to raise awareness about environmental issues. 12. Indigenous reserves. Indigenous communities in Venezuela play a vital role in preserving the country's natural resources. Their ancestral lands, such as the Yanomami and Pemen territories, are protected areas that contribute to biodiversity conservation. In summary, Venezuela is blessed with an incredible array of natural wonders and is committed to preserving its environmental heritage. From the majestic Angel Falls to the diverse marine ecosystems, the country's national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, and conservation initiatives provide a sanctuary for unique species and habitats. Through these efforts, Venezuela aims to ensure the sustainability and protection of its natural treasures for generations to come. And now, a poem inspired by the breathtaking beauty of Venezuela's natural landscapes and its commitment to environmental conservation. In Venezuela's embrace, nature sings. A symphony of life, where beauty springs. From towering falls to coastal shores. A tapestry of wonders, the land adores. Canaima's mighty angel, heaven's gift. Los Roques, where coral reefs uplift. Henri Pittier's forests, a verdant delight. Sierra Nevada's peaks, a majestic sight. Morrocoy's azure, a coastal embrace. Orinoco Delta, wetlands' graceful pace. Mochima's islands, a Caribbean dream. Médanos de Coro, where sand dunes gleam. Cueva del Guacharo, secrets of the cave. Wildlife sanctuaries, creatures they save. Conservation's mission, in every endeavor. Preserving Venezuela's nature forever. From reforestation to indigenous lands. A harmony of hearts, protecting hands. Venezuela's commitment, strong and true. A legacy of conservation for me and you. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and may your journey be filled with nature's wonders.